think the nice thing about steel in the factory setting is you can pick up steel much faster than concrete. It's also a lot cheaper than concrete, and you can run with it. And the nice part about it is you can have big open spans with steel, where you can't always have it with concrete. And that's where we are. Yeah. The big thing about Signal Hill was it's a big area. It had many small buildings within this area over the footprint of the site, and it was integrated with each other through pipe bridges, through with pipe bridges. And if you go into the specific buildings, the amount of equipment housed in the buildings and using up the real estate within the building, it was just phenomenal. And I think that's what stood out to the judges. And at the end of the day, it came out to be a very, very nice development. Again, usually when we do a quotation on a job, we would say X amount of tons per day has to be erected in order to achieve a certain deadline. On this building, we had to work on multiple buildings at the same time with more than one teams running concurrently. And that helped speed up everything by doing it with steel. You could do big lifts. Instead of doing 1 or 2 trusses at a time, we ended up doing 6 trusses at a time, which was quite unique and quite fun and nerve-wracking at the same time. Biggest thing in South Africa these days, or not just in South Africa, I think throughout the whole world, everyone wants to create a warehouse or workshop, but they want to try and make it as light as possible. To keep the end users money from not being spent on heavy steel. And with that, you get big spans within the building. I mean, we had 30-meter spans, 30 by 30 meter bay spacings on that job, which was unique. And it just creates a big flow, so you can pick up a large amount of quantities of steel in a very short time frame. When they gave me beer after everything was completed, that was the most memorable. But yes, I think all jokes aside, from the word get-go, the planning phase out of it, sitting down with the architects, with the developer and everybody, going through, seeing what needs to happen and when it needs to happen by, and then moving on to get it done. I think that was the biggest thing. And then obviously rain and wind and all other unforeseen events just contributed to having a very successful product at the end of the day, and everyone was very happy.